Let's get to the trader rundown now with Tim Bigman, Delta Derivatives. How are you playing this market? We are hitting that holiday week. Volumes could really reduce greatly here by the end of the week. What do you think?
Yeah, I think absolutely volumes will slow down here. We'll see if the price action, because anything coming out of Washington, as we know, moves the market big time. But certainly, as we approach Friday, position squaring, I'm certainly doing that as well. You know, most of the big traders will be gone probably most of the day Friday and also Tuesday after Memorial Day. So probably a reduction of position size and lower volume, although volatility, you never know, especially with what's going on the macro level.
That's so true. People in the financial industry stretch the long weekend out.
Always.
All right, so let's take a look at some stocks that you would be interested in. You're contrarian. You're playing some stocks that have been really beaten down here, but might pop.
One being Intel, which has absolutely been obliterated. This stock down at multi-year lows, oversold on every technical, getting cheap fundamentally under a 10 PE. So I'm jumping in and doing a put spread out of the money, selling the 41 puts, about 2.5 points out of the money in July, hedging by buying the 39s, be a willing buyer on Intel on a further dip from here, given that hugely oversold kind of condition.
And your other stock?
Is John Deere, another name that has followed the same kind of path, but saw the price action where it lifted up after some bad news here. So, you know, Deere kind of reaffirmed earnings, but didn't, you know, point to anything specific. So the stock got crushed on this, obviously the farmland situation, but again, looking at a stock under a 10 PE on a forward basis. So I just kind of like valuations on those names, given what's going on in the market. I think it's probably not a bad time to hunker down with some value over growth, especially given what the Fed governors came out and said over the past couple of days about maybe no rate, decreases that the market is almost planned for.
Thanks for coming on our show and have a great rest of your week.
You too. Thanks, Ange.
Check out businessfirstam.com to find out where to see our entire show. And don't forget to like, follow, and share Business First AM.